Hey there everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today is day number 7 in this video series. We are showing you step by step each and every day the email to send to promote your HBA or Home Business Academy business. If you are new to the series, please be sure to go back to day number 1 in the description so that you can get caught up on all of the details. And if you're enjoying the series, please be sure to hit that like and subscribe button. We really appreciate that. So in today's email, what we're going to do is go over to the Word document in the description below. It's going to look a lot like this. If you have not made a copy, be sure that you go over here and hit File, Make a Copy, and then go ahead and make sure to do that step number 1. This is going to be grabbing your affiliate link for the video sales letter from the Samcart back office. All those instructions are going to be there on day 1 for you. Then what you're going to want to do is go down to email number 7. So we'll scroll all the way down here. Here's email number 7. Let's go ahead and grab the subject and the body, and we will copy and paste those back over here into My Lead Gen Secret. Click on that mailing system tab. Go ahead and select all of your leads. Scroll down, hit the subject. Come back over to your Word document, grab all of it, paste it right there, select it all again, make sure to unbold it, scroll down, increase that size to 16 as we usually do, and then change it right there as well. Now you'll want to go ahead and add your name right here. And then right here where it says link, we will delete that. Come back over here to our document. Go ahead and copy that. Come back. And we'll save it. We'll go ahead and bold. And that looks pretty good. So then we'll click that perfect timing box. And then as you can see, I've already set mine again today. But what you'll see is down here in the bottom, you'll see that preview button and then the send button. So just go ahead and double check it in the preview. Make sure everything looks good before you go ahead and fire it off to your email list for today. And remember, you can add additional MLGS accounts at any time. It's going to give you additional leads and additional exposure to promote your offer to. Then just repeat the process for each and every one. That's all for today. Take care, and we'll see you tomorrow for day number 8.